Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Shreem Beauty Land Salon. Hope everyone fine good, and sorry about that because my feeling is not well, and we upload the video is very late. Sorry about that. We are starting now. Is the full leg waxing. My client is tutorial start. First apply for the powder application. We are using the roll-on applicator honey wax. First we apply the half portion, apply for the honey wax in my client leg. My client legs here is very thicker, very harder and very sharp because she is using before the hair cream, and then after she's hair is so hard and so thick, and that's why I tell my client don't use the hair cream because it's not good for the skin is because hair comes growth very badly, very stucky, and ingrown hairs comes after 2 days hairs comes is not good, and then stop for the hair cream and using for the waxing, sugar waxing, laser is good for the skin. We use the honey wax is very good and effective honey wax. All the dead skin come out very easy, and this wax is very quicker and easy. Apply one time leg, and then after take a strip, press and take out the opposite direction very well. You see all the hairs come very easily and very quickly, not too much pain. I know is thicker hair is pain, I tell you no pain, but is pain, but after second time doing for the waxing is more less pain, is better for that. Don't use the shape, don't use the hair remover cream, don't use any other razor kind of stuff because not good for the skin. Always good for the skin for the home remedies, honey wax, aloe vera wax, Vrica wax, all kind of wax is the different countries is the different wax is very good for the wax. Hard wax, soft wax, but use for the wax, don't use for the razor. And then after apply, and one by one you just follow all the steps and take out the strip, all the dead skin, all the hairs, whatever the thicker hairs come out very easily, and leg neat and clean. You see guys, the my client is the half leg is very neat and clean, all the hairs come out and all the dead skin come out because only for use the soft wax, either honey wax, either aloe vera wax, either tea tree wax. This wax is really good for the skin. Use at home, use parlor, use whatever use is really good. But first, one thing I tell you, you go for the salon, you go for the spa, you go for anywhere, just ask the wax temperature. Wax temperature is really good for the skin. Temperature is not good affected for the skin because too hot wax skin for the burn, and too low not for the working, and either you are not working for the hair accordingly for the waxing, then lots of problems come out. Just watch where is hair, and whatever the hair growth, apply the wax, take the strip, apply very gentle tapping, take out the opposite direction. You see all the hairs come very easily and very quickly. Before we are using the spatula, and spatula takes more time, and this one is very quick and easy wax. Hey guys, hopefully you like this video, you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget the comment in this video. You just suggest your the part what you think, what you say and what you want the next video. Please let me know in the comment box. Hopefully we are uploading the video. Sorry about that, we are delaying because I'm feeling very sick. I'm not good feeling. I'm just okay, then I make a video and upload a video, and hopefully you understand because uh, health is not good, everything is not good. First, you are healthy, everything is healthy. You are not healthy, nothing healthy. Hey guys, one thing what I'm doing, I just take out the strip and then after I apply my hand, my client legs, because my client's hair really thicker, and whatever I take out the strip, she feel pain, and just I apply for my hand, she will relieve and relax, because you see all the skin very deadly come out in the leg. And see, before and after is very big difference for the skin. Just apply for the hair direction, whatever we done, the wax is very clean, and then we are not done, and that part is really is black. We can see is both of the huge difference. Just apply and take out the opposite direction. Just whatever need for the stretch the skin, then you stretch for the skin. Is really important, stretch for the skin, but we are not stretching for the skin. Some part is very sensitive and lose the skin and come to the bumps, uh, very big bumps, bruise, all the stuff is really important. Whatever we need, then we are stretching the skin, because this is the knee part. We need stretch for the skin, because some clients knee part is very sensitive skin, very losing skin. Then we are very careful apply this area for the wax, and apply for the strip and take out the opposite direction. Same thing feet is really a hard part, because some clients feet is very cold and some client feet is very normal, and some client is feet is very cold, then wax is stuck, then we need warm for the feet, and then after take out for the wax, because sometimes wax is very sticky and don't come out, but we need so warm this feet and take out the opposite direction, and then waxes come very easy way. This is very good tricks. Same thing, then we are started for the thigh part. Some thigh is really, because depend upon the body, some body is fat, some body is very slim, depend upon for the client body. Just we are applying for the hair direction, whatever the hair direction, thigh especially for the different section for the hair. Some hair right to the left, some right to the left, and some for the straight, and some for the down to up part, depend upon for the skin. But you just look at it where the hair, and apply, and then after apply for the strip and take out the opposite direction. You see guys, is lots of different for the apply for the wax, and then take out the opposite direction is very neat and clean. All the dead skin, all the harder part, all the hard hair come out in this strip. And then see, we are apply for the very angle side for the strip, and apply and take out the opposite direction. Hopefully you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Please don't forget on the bell icon, because whatever the notification come first for you, whatever I upload for the video first come for your you apply for the notification button, and then you see my all the videos. Please don't forget. And we are just step by step for the waxing. Apply for the thigh in the angle side, right to left side, apply, and then after take out the opposite direction. Same thing we are applying for the other left thigh leg. Apply for the roll on wax, honey wax, and apply for the hair direction. Take a strip, apply, and take out the opposite direction. Just follow for the hair direction, whatever the hair direction is the most important things. And don't forget, after waxing, don't apply for the body spray because after skin is burning. Just skip one day, 24 hours, then after you apply for the body spray. And one thing more, after waxing is done, after 2 and 3 days after apply for the scrubbing is most important things, because after scrubbing lots of for coming to the ingrown hairs, pimples, acne, all the stuff. But scrubbing is good for the skin after 2 to 3 days after waxing, important for the scrubbing for the body. Usually we are recommended every 2 weeks one time full body scrubbing, because good for the skin, no strawberry legs, no ingrown hairs, no more skin issues. But we are needed for the scrubbing is most important for the body. Hopefully you like this video, because we are the front part is done for the full like waxing, and then after I apply for the oil, because after no stickiness, no irritation, you are not apply for the oil, you wanna apply for the moisturizer, aloe vera, whatever you feel good, you apply for the leg, you feel much better after waxing for apply for the oil. Then same thing we are applying for the back side. Apply first for the powder application, because powder is most important, because your skin is wet, your skin is oily, your skin is whatever the thing is come out for but wax is not application properly, because the skin wants properly dry. Your skin is dry, waxing application is really good, really effective. But skin is not good prep exactly, then wax is not working properly is most important things, because the skin is dry, need for the waxing. And we are applying full back leg, and take a strip, apply and take out the opposite direction, and whatever the left hairs, just see for the hair direction, apply for the strip and take out the opposite direction. All the hairs come very quick and easy, all the dead skin come very quick and easy. Hopefully you like this part, and whatever I told you these things, you like my suggestion, all the stuff, because it's really good for the skin, because we need skin is good. Just we are follow for the protocol, whatever the waxing, just apply for the wax temperature, strip and take out the opposite direction, apply, massage, then after skin is good. But you are not follow for the protocol tutorial step by step, you are not follow, then waxing not good, waxing not coming properly. Because some clients told waxing, we are coming my salon and told me I do the waxing and hair come very fast, I go other salon, but this wax I don't. But 100% I do, my guarantee in this wax is the honey wax is really good. After hair growth come very less, because I see all my clients, because they are growing for the hair, even 1 month is full growth, after 3 months is the 1 month growth, is very huge different for the growth. Because properly, because you are first look for the weather, look for the environment, which weather, and which weather you have is dry, cold, then apply for the wax is the weather accordingly, that is really good for effect for the skin. Just I tell you all the step cover, and hopefully we are meet in the next video. And we have lots of playlist, please watch guys my playlist, and subscribe my channels, and whatever you need my playlist, we upload all kind of stuff for the playlist. In the videos is the threading, waxing, facial, manicure, pedicures related all the videos. Just you look at it, maybe any help for you guys in these videos. I really appreciate, and thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye. This is the front and this is the back. You look before and the after. See you next video. Bye bye.